Okay, today we are gonna cook bacon wrapped fried mozzarella sticks.
Oh, no. We're gonna cook something healthier.
I forgot I had a guest that's a physical fitness trainer, so we're gonna cook healthy. We're gonna make eggplant potato sticks, French fries. This is what we made. It's eggplant French fries, and they're healthy. And I got a healthy person here who's gonna testify to it. And they came out, they only take 8 minutes. And then you got some nice marinara sauce. Okay, I gotta put this apron on.
Sounds
Because
good.
my lovely daughter-in-law bought it for me, and I told her I'd wear it against my better judgment, but.
Looks good on
Well,
you.
she thinks everybody's like her, sloppy. All right. Okay, here's what we're doing. We're gonna cook the eggplant. First, we're gonna start off with the mixture. We got flour. You can hold that.
I'll hold that.
We got paprika, pepper, garlic powder, salt, and then the panko.
Yummy.
And we're gonna start by, I'll cut here, can you cut them up? I mean, break them, and
Sure.
then beat them up.
Oh, goodness. You're gonna make me do this?
Yes. Oops. Can't cut with a cover on, huh? And after we get going here, we're gonna talk about Dawn's business.
So Don, how did you meet Dick?
At the gym.
We met at LA Fitness. We started talking one morning, and then we started talking every day, and then we just started greeting
Let
each
me
other.
tell you
and-
something. When you see her at LA Fitness, the whole gym lights up, right?
He makes my day.
Yeah,
Because he tells me that
no.
every time.
The whole gym gets brighter.
And it's hard sometimes at 5 a.m. to feel awake and alive, let me tell you.
That's actually how we met Dick as well, is at the gym.
At the
and
gym.
Waiting outside in front for it to open.
That's wonderful, yes.
She's got-
I had given him some exercises one time because he was having some problems, so
I always have problems.
so I gave him some exercises to try at home, but I kind of wonder if he ever did them.
I try them. I got the paper somewhere on that table.
At least he still has them.
I do.
That's a
I
good
still got 'em.
sign.
All right. We got the mixture here. It's the flour and everything else, the eggs, and then the panko. Now I'm gonna cut the eggplant into pieces.
Did you know eggplant has a lot of fiber in it?
It does.
So it's really good
It's
for
good for you.
digestion.
Okay, I was telling, before you came, I was telling Mike and Jen where I think the name came from.
Oh,
Because if you look at an eggplant, it looks like an egg, a big egg.
it sure does look like a big egg.
So the farmer's daughter said, where were you? He said, well, I was picking the plant, the eggplant.
There you go.
How do I
I
know?
noticed it. Hey,
Who
sounds
knows?
good to me.
Right, who knows where
Very
it comes
feasible.
from? Where's the name artichoke come from? Somebody
I
choked
don't know about that one.
Artie got choked and made a choke. Okay. You can
These
start
look
by
good.
coating them good.
All right. Here we go.
So you coat them in the flour, then you dip them in
Then
the
you
egg,
dip
and then you
them in
dip them in the
egg.
panko? Is that the way it goes?
Is that how it goes?
That's my coach, man. He's
Perfect.
That's my writer.
I learned
I'm not
something
telling
new
you, I'm
every day.
asking.
And he's my writer too. Michael's he's a man of all trades.
I don't cook very much, believe it or not, for being a nutrition coach. I like to make things super easy. So Dig's actually teaching me something that I can do at home in the air fryer.
And we're supposed, the tray, it says to spray your tray so it won't stick. So I spray it with this stuff they call Pam. They named that after some woman. I think, I don't know. Okay, there's my cookbook. Put on my,
We got some other recipes
All
we're
right.
gonna do. All right, so
Okay.
that one's waiting for you
All
for
right.
the panko.
yeah, you take some of
I'll
these
take some of these.
and then I'll put them in the
Put the flour
panko.
in 'em.
And what is panko? I mean, compared to breadcrumbs? Anybody know?
Crunchier? I think
Jen?
it's crunchier.
Jen?
I don't remember. We looked it up. I don't know.
I don't know what it's the
And y'all on my
difference.
phone, so I can't
I don't know the
look
difference.
Could be healthier. All right. I'm excited to try this.
Oh, they're good with marinara sauce. Oh, they are good. They only take 8 minutes. That's all they
It's
take.
much better than a fried mozzarella stick.
Wrapped in bacon.
Wrapped in
on.
bacon.
You don't
You want to talk about a heart attack there? I don't know.
You don't think that'd be good? You really don't think that'd be good?
Well, I'm sure it's good. I have eaten fried mozzarella sticks, not wrapped in bacon, in my
Well, if you
lifetime.
remember one of my videos, my man Mike over there named it the, what was it, the triple heart attack?
Ah,
The triple
yes.
bypass scallops.
That's
Let's go.
right.
They were triple
All the
bypass.
butter,
Yeah.
if I remember correctly.
And I got a lot of complaints of, you use too much butter. No, I don't use enough. Butter's good for you. No, huh?
Well, in moderation.
Okay, now,
Real butter.
you do classes, right, at the golf course still?
So I'm a trainer at Dove Mountain, the
Okay.
Highlands at Dove Mountain, yes.
Right.
I do personal training there as well as privately
And then you go to houses?
in my, yeah. Well, I go to houses sometimes, but a lot of times people will come to me because I have a small studio gym.
Oh, okay.
So
that's
it's
what we're
kind of
gonna
nice and
push.
private.
All right, and that's for people who don't want to be with a crowd, right?
Exactly.
Exactly. All right.
I
They
can
want me to
completely
really torture
understand
them
that.
one-on-one. It's my pleasure too. I love it.
And she also does bodybuilding contests,
Yes.
and she's got one coming up in 5 weeks
5 weeks from today.
in Phoenix, and we're gonna find out where it is, and we're gonna make a trip up there to watch her win.
That would be amazing.
No.
Me winning, that is.
So-
I would love for anybody to come see me, but the
So
winning part is.
How does your routine change when you're gonna go for a competition? Do you
So,
change your diet? Do you
I
change your
change
work?
my diet mostly,
Yeah,
yes. Yeah. My workout routine usually stays the same. I'm in the gym about 6 days a week with strength training. I will increase cardio as I get closer to the stage just to lose a little more body fat. But it's the nutrition that really takes a turn. And it's actually, I mean, vegetables, protein, rice. I'm a big rice or oatmeal person for my carbs.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, it's just about creating a calorie deficit. So eating less than what you burn.
And see this apron? This is good for wiping.
Can I do that?
You could, right there. That's what it's for. And
I made it messier than he did.
All right, here we're at.
Oh, those look good.
Where's the camera? Oh, right in front of me. All right, here's the
Finished
product
product.
that's gonna go into the oven. And they take 8 minutes. We're gonna put them in, flip them. I gotta warm it up for 1 minute, it says. At 400 degrees. Okay, now we'll put them in for 9 minutes. No. What? Oh. But I don't even know how to use my oven. 400 degrees. 9 minutes, and when it gets to 8, we'll put them in. Okay, and then we're gonna talk about Dawn's business. By the way, I don't know if I ever told you, but I was in one of them bodybuilding once.
You were?
Yeah, it was over 80.
Okay.
You know, there was 2 of us.
Sure.
And it was me and the guy with a walker. Okay, so I did mine, but then he came out and he, you know, held on with one hand.
Oh
and
my
he won
goodness,
by,
he
you
won,
know,
yeah.
because
Sure.
he was making some different things.
Oh, I'm sorry you didn't win your first competition. They do have 80-year-olds that do it.
No.
Believe it or not.
Seriously?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
How do I get
I've
rid-
been
How
to
do
it.
I get
I've
rid of
been,
the pot?
well,
Can you,
nutrition and
Oh, good, nutrition.
And
you
work.
can- yeah.
I watch what I eat,
Yeah.
Yeah.
because I eat everything.
Yeah. Well, that's good.
It's all right
At least
here.
you're watching it.
Thanks, guys. All right, now when it gets down to 4, we'll take them out and we'll flip them over. And then when it gets down to 2, we'll throw the marinara sauce in. This is my own recipe, but Prego stole it.
Oh, how dare they?
And, you know, they all gotta get started somewhere.
I know.
All right, now tell us about your business.
Well.
I'm gonna show your card. All right, I'm
Thank
gonna
you.
hold up your card.
Okay.
Which one is better? Which one do you think?
Oh, how about that one?
Okay.
Perfect.
This is, if you want to get a hold of Dawn, this is what you do. Write this down, because I know there's people out there, especially women, who are saying, I like to lose a pound or two, or I like to get in better shape. This is the girl to do it. She's a super, super trainer. And look
Thank
at
you.
look at how
Thank
can she describes herself.
Well,
So make sure you get this.
Can you say the website out loud, Don?
sure. It's www.infinitefitnessaz.com. And you can message me and I'll message you right back.
All right.
And
see?
I'll tell you a little history if you'd like of
Yes,
how
we
I
wanna
got
know.
started.
That's what we want to know.
So I didn't start getting into a healthier lifestyle till I was almost 40. It was after the birth of my second child.
Wow.
I was a little bit overweight, believe it or not.
Yeah. Nobody will believe
Very
that.
unhealthy, eating poorly, not feeling my best, no energy, all that stuff that everybody understands and goes through in life. My family has a lot of cancer.
Jen, you go
My
through
mom
this-
passed from cancer, my dad had cancer, and the year I got really healthy was the year my sister was diagnosed with cancer.
Oh,
So that really hit hard because me and my sister are super close.
oh.
I had just recently started trying to get healthier, and then that happened, and I was tested to be a stem cell donor for my sister. Out of all of the siblings, there's 4 of us, I was 100% match for her. So I knew at that point that if I was going to have to be a donor, that I would have to be as healthy as I could for myself and for her. So I really ramped up learning about fitness and nutrition and changed my whole lifestyle. And it's crazy, I look back at that time and I thought I was healthy, I thought I was eating well, you know, all those things
I
you
know.
think you're doing right. And
Yeah.
until you really study and write down and document, you don't really know. So and that actually turned me into a love for training. So I started being a personal trainer, and then I worked at the YMCA 7 years, I want to say, before I started my own business.
Wow.
And then after I started my own business, I decided to do nutrition, and that was because when I started competing, some coaches that I worked with didn't have a lot of knowledge. It was do what I say,
Yeah.
period. And when I would question it, they wouldn't have the right answer or explain to me why I was doing one thing or another, and so that created my desire to learn about nutrition. And so that's where I'm at now. So helping people with either one,
And
nutrition or training.
Or
I just want to
Or both, yeah.
I just want to add one thing. There is no one at that gym that is more popular than her.
Oh.
Everybody likes her. She's always got
Oh,
a
you're
smile
so
on her
sweet.
face. She does. You do. You're popular. Let's face it. I wish I was
I'm a
as
happy
popular as you.
person, thankfully. I love life.
Oh, okay. Now
Oh,
it's time for the flipper.
that was fast.
I know, 4 minutes, huh? Yep, they're running. That's what they're supposed to do. And then you go down, like that. And that. Like that.
Smells good from
They do,
here.
don't they smell good? I practice before I do these, you know, during the week. I just want you to know. And I ate the whole eggplant.
Oh, good for you.
Because it was so good. Okay, 4 more minutes. And then when it gets down to 2, we'll put the sauce in the microwave about a minute and a half,
Sounds good.
I guess.
Maybe.
Minute and a
Maybe
half.
a minute.
Jen, minute
Maybe
and a
a
half to
minute.
heat up sauce,
Sure.
or a minute? We'll try a minute.
We'll try a minute.
And then you stick your
then
finger
we'll see. If it's bubbling, we know it's good. If it made a mess in the microwave, well, then you know it's hot.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So Dick, tell me, when did you start going to LA Fitness?
When did I start going?
How long have you been going to the gym there?
I've been going to LA Fitness since they first opened, okay? I started going to the gym after my very first back operation. and I've had 4. The doctor told me you gotta take care of yourself, so I started back east, going to a gym. That was a nice gym, there wasn't a lot of people like over here. And then when I moved out here, I went to, what was the one on Ina, do you remember? The guy went out of business?
Desert Fitness.
Desert
Desert
Fitness.
Fitness. Yeah, that was a long time
And
ago.
he went out of business with people just paying their membership. He took everybody's money.
Oh.
LA Fitness opened up the road, and I joined that. And then I was the very first one in this building over here.
Oh,
They took a picture of me,
really?
and then after I got inside, they ripped it up and threw it away.
I know they didn't do that.
They said, we're not gonna show that to anybody. It was me and this lady, we were like,
Oh, that's
I mean, we
awesome.
weren't kind of fighting, but we were trying to get in.
Good.
And I pushed her, I get in.
You want to be the first.
Yeah, I wanna be the
That's
first.
right.
And I've been going ever since. And I met these lovely people here.
You-
Matt used to come in with them.
Oh, that's wonderful.
They swim, they're swimmers.
Oh, I love swimming.
Mike's a good swimmer.
That's the best exercise.
He's
I
a good
tell
bike
you.
rider too. Real good. Jen is too.
So when you go to the gym, you go 6 days a week? How long are you in the gym?
So it depends on my work schedule. So usually I work out Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Wednesday is my day off. Mondays it's about an hour. That's just my strength training. Tuesday is about the same, and then Thursday I get a little cardio in, so hour and a half maybe. Friday same, hour and a half, and then Saturday it's more of a, I just work on different muscle groups that I think need a little bit more training for the week, so that could be 30 minutes, 40 minutes at the most. And then Sunday is my long one, 2 hours. That's for glute training and some cardio. 2 hours, but I don't go to LA Fitness that day. I have a gym membership at another gym that has more equipment for glute specific training. It's called World's Gym.
Oh, because I'm a member of 3 gyms.
I'm LA Fitness, Worlds, and I'm still at the YMCA kind of because my son has his membership there, but.
The one across the street at any time.
Oh, yeah, okay.
There's usually-
24 hours?
There's usually 1 or 2 people in there. The weights don't match. They got nothing to eat there. So I stop going there, then I go to the one on Twin Peaks.
Yep.
That's
Mhm.
that's a
It's a
24
hour,
hour.
yeah.
And I go in there, but the people in there, they're not friendly like LA Fitness, and I like to talk to people.
Right.
So I just go to LA Fitness.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna join that purple, the one over on, by Sprouts. Purple.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
right. I'm a member of Planet Fitness too. I forgot about that. Yes.
Holy cow.
Yes, because I have clients that go to Planet Fitness,
Yeah.
so we meet at Planet Fitness.
So is the World's
Forgot
Gym,
about that one.
is that the one that did it used to be Gold's Gym? Is it that the
It's
location?
actually off of Campbell between Glen and Fort Lowell.
Oh, okay.
So it's not where the old Gold's Gym was, but
Okay.
it's a really nice gym.
Yeah.
It has a lot of
Nice and
different
brown.
equipment than most of the LA Fitnesses do, or like Planet Fitness.
Look at that. They're nice and brown.
What?
Oh, maybe I should make that a little, another 30 seconds or something. Now, I didn't cover it in water, it'll make my,
Gonna put some on a plate, make them beautiful.
they look good, huh?
Yeah, they look
Oh,
good.
yeah, they're gonna be lava hot too.
Yeah.
Lava?
Yeah.
They taste delicious with the marinara sauce. I tried them first with ranch dressing. I didn't like them as
Didn't
much.
like
I love them. And I knew daughter-in-law bought this for me, and she said, "You gotta wear it." And I said, "Okay, Beverly." I did it again. I touch that tray every time. I got the glove on this hand, I touch it with this hand.
We're sticking down the outtakes at the
You
end.
see why idiot, now you see where the idiot comes from? Okay,
Oh, wow.
give it a, you want the fork?
Now, are you okay if I use my good? All right.
Go ahead.
Here we go. First
Dick,
take.
Come on,
Dick,
Jen.
Dick likes to serve them up. And
All
then
right. Can I dip?
Go
I
ahead.
don't want to double dip.
No, you can triple dip if you want.
All right, here
Now
we
let me know how
go.
they go.
Here's the
Please.
truth.
Please say they're good.
Mmm.
Are they
Oh my
good?
gosh, delicious.
All right.
Perfect.